Why Networkers Home?
I've done my bachelor's of engineering in electronics and communication. To skill up, I was looking into some or the other institute where I can skill up my knowledge or my skills. That's how I came to know about Networkers Home. I faced multiple challenges. I was not able to find any jobs or I was not able to upskill. I was looking into jobs, but I was not able to. I realized that I have to sacrifice something. Discussing makes a person a lot better. Make group of 3 that I can learn from. There are some flaws as well, but you have to live your comfort zone and be in a zone where you are learning things. This is my routine. If you are able to do it, give it a shot.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Voices of Victory. And today Gagan joined us to share his success story. And congratulations Gagan for your placement and thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
Yes Gagan, everybody wants to know about your story and please tell us where you are from and about your education background.
Hi, as you know, I'm Gagan. I've done my bachelor's of engineering in electronics and communication. I'm from Karwar. Post that, I joined in company to work as a technical support engineer. I worked there for 1 year. To skill up, I was looking into some or the other institute where I can skill up my knowledge or my skills. So that's where I found Networkers Home, and today I'm here.
Why Networkers Home?
So we're in total of 2 members when we joined Networkers Home. So my friend had done a research on it and told me that there's an institute called Networkers Home in Bangalore, and we can give a try there and we can look into it. So even I researched myself. I was texting seniors from LinkedIn who got placed. What is the curriculum? What thing exactly? How the placement works? So that's how I came to know about Networkers Home, and I visited the Networkers Home. I didn't visit initially. I called Amit sir, so Amit sir picked up. I never knew Amit sir was the head or kind of who looks after things. So I never knew. So I was like, "Hi Amit, what are the procedure?" So he explained me everything in the call. Then that's how I came to know about Networkers Home.
Gagan, tell me, how was your experience coming to Networkers Home?
Coming to the Networkers Home, I started with CCNA. So in CCNA, I had Jatin sir who took the class there. So I felt like, I'm learning something, because at the point where I was not able to find any jobs or, I was not able to upskill. I was looking into jobs, but I was not able to. So that was when I joined for the CCNA course first. So I found it like I'm learning something about the networking or something new, and started with CCNA from Jatin sir. Then CCNP switching. I started switching first. Then from Ajay sir. So Ajay sir, I had asked, is it fine? Because some of the seniors told me switching and routing you can take it simultaneously. So I asked Ajay sir, is it fine if I take it? So he gave me suggestion he asked me about my entire routine of the day. I was like, this is my routine. If you are able to do it, to learn it from one day, you can do it. Give it a shot. So I gave a shot there. I did my switching and routing simultaneously from Ajay sir. And coming up to then, I joined the WSA ESA class during my the switching routing classes, and it was taken from Sushil sir, wherein I got more insights on CCIE or the web security or the email security, because I was looking into it. The main reason I joined for the CCIE Security was I had a customer previously came to me, and he was like, as I was in technical support, he came to me and told me that my port number 80 is open. That is when I realized what is port number 80, what is TCP, what is UDP. Till then I would never knew what is TCP, UDP. That's one of the reasons also I joined up Networkers Home for the CCIE Security. So I was more interested into web security and email security. I was most interested in the email security. So that's when things came up, and then I did VPN, because most of the seniors suggested me that VPN takes 2 months of time. So it's great if you can finish it. My and my friends who joined together, goal was to finish the course in 7 or 8 months, then entire 4 months for the placement. So that was our plan accordingly. So we were asking reviews from the seniors how exactly we can do the courses. So they told us that VPN is 2 months course, that takes a lot of time. So I joined VPN from Ajay sir. Then along with the VPN, we were doing few of the firewalls like ASA. That's how we finished. That's ASA and Palo Alto from Sushil sir. and FortiGate from Nikun sir. Then the advanced routing and switching from Nikun sir. That's how I completed the entire modules, and that's how was my journey in networking.
Since you attended multiple modules simultaneously, did you face any challenges and how did you overcome those challenges?
Initially, yes, I faced multiple challenges. Like, learning switching routing together is not a small thing you can manage with, because switching is something different and routing is something different. You're completely new to it. You learn a little bit of basics in CCNA, but not the one in the actual CCNP. So it was a bit challenging. As Ajay sir told me that, you'll have to make certain things, you'll have to sacrifice it. I realized it that day that I'll have to sacrifice something. Like, for example, my sleep, my other habits, or going out, or all of those. So that's when we completed it. We used to come around, 10 o'clock was the class, and the entire afternoon was going into the class itself. Then we were learning, and we had group of 3 members. We are still a group. We are good friends still. The third person is still looking into it, and third person was very eager. We met him in the class. He was also doing this simultaneously, switching routing. So that's when we were discussing every topics there. That's where I understood that discussing makes a person a lot better. I mean, you get lots of feedback and learn most of the things, and that is when challenges was the same thing. Sacrificing lots of things was the challenges. I had to overcome it, so did it.
Coming to Networkers Home, how was the environment for you?
The environment was pretty good. I met a couple of friends. I met good friends here. As to during CCNA, I didn't visit much to the lab during my CCNP because I was in the institute for the entire day, you can say, till the evening. So that's when I visited lab. I was interacting with the lab instructors and few of the other people there, and they were mostly helpful, saying that explaining me most of the things. If I have any doubt, I could have asked them. So that's how the environment, I felt like it was okay, where I can study things, because everyone is studying here. You learn something from them. Some topics you're not aware of, you can't be a master of everything. So that's how you can understood that I can learn from them.
How was your experience with the labs?
Lab experience, I used most of the time my PC or my laptop to use it, but most of the time it was I used to use my PCs, but when I jumped into the firewalls, I was taking the lab access. It was very smooth transaction. Yeah, but there are some flaws as well, but everything has flaws. So I mean, it was good taking up the access.
How was your experience with the trainers?
The experience was pretty good, as I was completing simultaneously modules. Simultaneously, I was completing multiple modules, wherein I had my multiple doubts coming up, multiple regions, connecting those things together, asking them. I mean, that was the time when I used to ask them, what is this? What next I can do? I mostly had asked feedback. I mean, most of the time when I was doing my security module, that was when I was introduced to Sushil sir. So most of the time I spent with Sushil sir at that time, asking him doubts. How can I study? I mean, initially it was Ajay sir who told me, you can take multiple modules, you can study it on your own. And that's how I understood, I can do things quickly, not taking a year or so to finish the courses. So it was pretty good. I had interaction with lots of trainers, so that was very good.
How did you prepare for the interviews?
So I came to know that, once you have finished certain modules, you can give up the mock interviews. So to clear the mock interview, you'll have certain criteria to clear the mock interviews. That is when I started my preparation on the mock interviews. I mean, mainly for the concentrating mainly on the mock interviews, wherein I had joined the interview prep class and the communication class. I completed most of the modules, so I had one module to take up in the morning. In the evening, I used to attend interview classes and the communication classes simultaneously, and that is when I had to face a lot of challenges, because in the interview prep, I understood that this what knowledge I have is not the one. I mean, not the accurate knowledge. So that's when I had to research a lot about it. The interview classes gave us tasks, so we had to finish those tasks as well. So coming up to the tasks where we learn things, the actual thing which was asked in the interview. So I gave my mock interview, then I cleared it in the first attempt. That is how I was preparing for the interview. The mock interview, I feel it's a bit tougher than the actual interviews. So that we get more experience. That's how I did it.
How helpful were your mock interviews and communication classes for your real job interviews?
Coming up to the mock interview, as I mentioned, mock interview was harder than the actual job interviews, wherein I did 3 mock interviews, cleared at the first, but wanted to face a lot because I was a bit nervous talking to people in as in communication class where like made to talk a lot. So in group of people you are not able to talk. I was not able to talk. That is when I joined. Like I wanted to be very confident at the moment. So that's the reason I joined the communication class, wherein I gained confidence. My communication grew up a bit higher than what I expected. Then the mock interview, coming up to the mock interviews, gave me confidence how to face interviews. 2 rounds of interviews, how you'll be facing it, what questions can be there. Basically it is understanding that you're learning for 7 months and understanding that what is your level, your A grade, B grade or C grade. That's how we define it, right? So that's where you understanding the mock interviews. Are you A, B or C? According to me, going to the mock interviews is where you understand what level are you in out of the other people in the institute.
Yeah, tell us about your current company and your job roles.
Yeah, I have placed in Barracuda Networks as technical solution specialist for the email security gateway or email products, email security and such. And the company is a leading cyber security company. They have few products, multiple products for web security, email security and data protection. So that is where I'll be specializing in email security as of now. So yeah.
Working in Barracuda, how do you feel?
So it's been a week now and the things are pretty good. I meet my seniors there who I asked for the questions or the interview tips, what exactly I can do. So I'm meeting the people from the institute itself on the daily basis, and it's good. The environment is good. You are learning things. You meet people who are very much specialized in that product. So that's my experience about Barracuda. It's pretty good.
Do you have any suggestion for the people who are watching your success story?
The suggestion is, you should be very eager to study, to learn concepts, to learn multiple things simultaneously. If you are looking as how I did it simultaneously, then yeah, you will have to, you'll have to live your comfort zone and be in a zone where you are learning things rather than studying. Make group of 3. You'll meet friends here, seniors as well. So make group of 3, study. And discuss, for example, there will be 3, as I mentioned, 3 people. We were 3 people attending same classes daily. Then sit at the downstairs and discuss topics. For example, one person would study routing, one person would study switching, one person would study firewalls. For example, if I'm into learning a particular topic in switching, I'll mention that I finished this topic today. So what are your inputs? This is where I felt difficulty. Wherein other friend comes up routing, I'm feeling this difficulty. Other friend with the firewall, I'm feeling this difficulty. Wherein we discussed a lot. We were researching on our own. Take help from the trainers. They are very helpful. They help you a lot. And I was majorly take help from after you get the placements, take help from the HR team. They'll help you a lot. To mention, Clara ma'am and Anshu ma'am helped me a lot at the initial stages during the interviews. And interview preparation is where you realize where you are lagging, what other topics you'll have to study.
How was your overall experience with the Networkers Home?
The overall experience was very good because I was able to finish it early, get things. Because the institute is that good and the trainers are very good and people are helpful here. You can talk to people who are getting placed. They help you a lot. They tell you tips and tricks how you can clear the interviews. So people are very helpful, and especially the trainers and the HR team, everyone is very helpful.
Any last word for the trainers and team Networkers Home?
My last word should be, I started with CCNA coming here without knowing any knowledge. Jatin sir helped me with CCNA. Then coming up to my CCNP, wherein I got an advanced tip saying that you can take multiple topics at a time, but switching routing from Ajay sir, that helped me a lot. I completed most of my security modules from Sushil sir, except the VPN from Ajay sir. I did it from Ajay sir, and it was early morning classes wherein we would come up, we would sit, we would understand a couple of things, because security was something was very new. Network things comes up whenever you do the courses, so that was fine. But Sushil sir helped us a lot on that topics, and we got more insights on it. And mainly the HR team, coming up to the placement, HR team helped me a lot. I was very eager. There was certain downfall at the moment wherein we got a company, the company kept us on hold. That was a lot of hectic. So hectic situation wherein the HR team backed us up, gave multiple opportunities at that time. And finally, I have landed to Barracuda Networks. Looking forward to be in touch with the team.
It was great to hear your story. I hope all students got motivated. Yeah, congratulations to you on behalf of entire Networkers Home, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
This was another success story. Do like the video and subscribe the channel for more.